Voila! Alright. What is happening, guys? It's your boy A-Bit Stuck Abroad. It's another day of your boy A-Bit Stuck Abroad. How is it, fam? What's been happening? Alright, today it's a very special day because I am unboxing one of my favorite shoes that I shopped online. I wasn't really expecting to get it because it's a limited release. I'm not sure how many was released, but I'm pretty sure it was just sold out in like what, 5 minutes after it was released on Nike store. So today I got lucky. On that day, that was like 2 weeks ago, I was waiting for this transit for it to get mailed by the Nike Australia, but they got it, so I am so excited. I am unboxing today the Jordan 5 Off-White in collaboration with Virgil Abloh. For those of you who don't know this guy, basically he's a designer. He designs shoes, a lot of stuff, to be honest. Like, he started collaborating with Nike around 2000, I think that was 2017, around that time. But before that, I'm gonna unbox some other shoes as well for my kids. I bought this because it's on sale. They love shoes as well, especially my boy D. He loves shoes, but particularly Vans. He loves Vans. The first shoe of the day, it's the Vans. I'm gonna do this as quick as I can because I want to go straight to the Off-White Jordan 5. All right, first shoe. Still had a receipt. This is the Vans size Y1. What did you say that? 1Y or Y1? Vans with cool design here. The iconic white stripes there. The Vans sign designs, and I got white shoelace and the black with the white stitches. For my daughter, I bought her Superstar Adidas. It's white with white shoelace, and it says on the tongue, it says Adidas logo right there. And this is size 6 kids. White shoelaces. The original price is $100, so but they put it on sale for 40 bucks. So. And the last one for the kids, I got the Nike. This is a bit bigger. I bought this because it's on sale. It's a bit bigger for my boy Deshaun. Right. This is size 4Y. It's on sale. Yep, it got a strap right here and a shoelace, and it says Team Hustle. It kind of similar to the Kyrie shoes, but it's a bit bigger for him. We're probably gonna wear it for like 2 years from now or a year from now. All right, the moment that we're waiting for, the Off-White Jordan 5. For the last 2 weeks, I've been waiting for this. It comes with this box. All right. And it says, you help plant a tree. Alright, apparently I helped plant the tree, that's pretty cool. I'll open it on the side. Oh, I can see the box straight up. It's like, oh, okay, nothing in there. Alright, box. The Jordan 5 box, it looks cool. It's not punctured. Last time I bought the some shoes from Nike, that was like LeBron 17 Laker Gang colorway. The box was a bit punctured, but this one's a bit nice. Yeah, pretty cool. It's not damaged at all. First thing I noticed about the box, it got some hole in it. Yep. And some transparent, like a plastic thing that you can see. You can check the inside of the box, and they got the Jordan logo, of course, and some writings here. It's a Nike swoosh, Nike Air. Yeah, it's a pretty cool looking box, to be honest. I just don't get why they get like holes in it for some reason. But yeah, it's time to open it. Here we go. Voila! All right. Woo! Alright, the Jordan 5 Off-White. There you go. Alright, it comes with this one. It's like a plastic cover. It says 2020 Off-White. Comes with this. put it on the side. And the shoes itself. Alright, the shoes itself. It's the Jordan 5. It's my first Jordan 5 ever, and it's pretty cool because it's off-white. It comes with a zip tie. It says off-white Nike 2020. Alright, come on. This one, the zip tie. For some reason, they put a zip tie on all off-whites. Shoelaces that says shoelaces. How cool is that? A shoelaces that says shoelaces. Can you see that? Yep, it says shoelaces. Pretty cool. And this is an inspired OG metallic Air Jordan 5. Black textile mesh upper with off-white signature shoelaces. 3M reflective tongue fire red Jumpman. It's a red Jumpman logo right here. It's pretty cool because it has this black textile mesh all over the shoes. And the translucent outsole where you can see the Jumpman logo here. And the Nike that says Nike. It says Nike here. I don't know if you can see that. Alright, there you go. It says Nike with a Jumpman logo. It says here, I can't read it. But there's a writing here with a big punch circle. This is my first off-white. Been waiting for this for the last 2 weeks. Alright, and the other pair, I got 2 extra shoelaces, the red and the white, and it still says the shoelaces on the shoelace. There's a 23 here. I like the outsole. Look, it's yellowish with the Jumpman logo, the red fire red Jumpman logo. Pretty cool looking shoes, man. It's my first off-white. Believe it. I'm gonna give you tips like how to get this online. Alright, at first I live in Australia, so obviously we don't have a sneaker app here. So what we do, we go to the Australian Nike store online. What you do, like for my very own humble opinion, to get the shoes easily when you're here in Australia, make sure when you go online, like let's just say latest time is 10 o'clock, let's just say 9:59, you have to refresh your because I was using my phone. I was just using my phone to grab the shoes itself, to grab this. So what you gotta do, make sure you refresh it 9:59 and then exactly 10 o'clock. Make sure that everything, because I use a credit card, everything's set up already, so it will just automatically fill. Because you don't wanna, like, you know, you wanna type the card number and the CVV and stuff like that. It's a race to the end line, like, you know, everyone just want to purchase the shoes. And even bots, there's bots that wants to get everything 5 pairs to 10 pairs for, you know. So it's quite unfair, but you know, that's how it works. I'm pretty sure the Nike is trying to fix that up or find a solution for the bots not to like win the shoes. Refresh it in the very last minute, and then after that make sure it's autofill all my credit cards. So I was just like typing my CVV and that's it. The very most important thing, I guess, for my own opinion, is make sure you don't you set your phone or whatever you're using, laptop or your MacBook, whatever you're using, make sure it's not auto locked. To set it to never, so you can wait till it's just loading. Sometimes it takes time for it to load. Just keep on waiting for it. Like, just be patient. Because what happened when you refresh it, I think you go back at the bottom if you refresh it, like buying it again. So happy for this. I get Jordan 5 off-white. Yep. So I don't know if I'm gonna wear this or not. I'm just gonna keep this on my collection. Yep, this is the shoes that I wore for a while. So maybe I'm not gonna wear it at all. I'm just gonna put it in a wall or something, put it in my box. I'm thinking about getting the pine green Jordan 1. I'm so excited for that this Saturday. If I get it or not, I'll let you know. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, give me a like and sub. If you like this unboxing of Jordan 5 Off-White, I guess I'll see you in the next vlog. Peace out.